Professional digital marketing involves using the latest technologies and tools to create effective marketing strategies that generate leads, build brand awareness, and drive conversions. It encompasses a range of techniques, including search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and more. Here are some key components of professional digital marketing. 1. Comprehensive digital marketing strategy. Professional digital marketers start with a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that considers your business goals, target audience, and available resources. 2. A strong online presence. Your online presence is the foundation of your digital marketing efforts. A professional digital marketer will work with you to develop a website that reflects your brand and offers a seamless user experience. 3. Search engine optimization. SEO involves optimizing your website content and structure to improve your ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs, and drive organic traffic to your website. 4. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising involves paying for clicks on your ads, such as Google Ads or Facebook ads, to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website. 5. Social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer powerful tools for engaging with your audience, building brand awareness, and driving conversions. 6. Email marketing. Email marketing involves sending promotional emails or newsletters to a list of subscribers to nurture relationships and encourage sales. 7. Content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain your audience and ultimately drive profitable customer action. 8. Analytics and reporting. Analytics tools like Google Analytics or Facebook Insights provide data and insights on your website traffic, audience behavior, and campaign performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your strategies. Professional digital marketing requires a deep understanding of your target audience, goals, and metrics, as well as a strategic approach to planning, executing, and measuring your campaigns. It's important to stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and regulations to ensure your campaigns are effective and compliant.